How to create a NordFX account. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are looking for a way to create a new account or register for NordFX, first thing to do is to go ahead and open up a web browser and type in nordfx.com in the URL box and search. Doing this will take you to the NordFX website, from where you will see this kind of an interface. Go ahead and tap on Open an Account at the top right corner. Now once you're inside this page, go ahead and fill in your first name, your last name on the next field, a valid email address for yourself, choose your country and enter your phone number. I'm not gonna type in the phone number right now, I'm just gonna skip this, but later I will. If you've got any promo code, go ahead and enter it over here. If not, just skip this step and where it says generate password automatically. If you want automatic password, just click on this box. If you want to add your own password, just go ahead and type it down. I'm just gonna enter my own password over here, pretty strong one, and then confirm the password by retyping it again in the next field. Right after both of the passwords matches and it meets these requirements over here, you can click on confirm at the bottom and finally click on open an account. Now your registration is successful. You can now sign in with your credentials. Click sign in, enter the email address that you just registered with, enter the password on the next field. Make sure to type in the correct password that you just registered with, and then click login. You'll need to confirm your email. Go open up your email service provider's inbox. Once you open the email, click open the email from NordFX if you've received it, and click on confirm email. Soon after you do that, you'll also be able to confirm your email or verify your email, and you have successfully created an account. And there you go, that's how you do it. You've successfully created or signed up for a new account on NordFX, and you'll be inside your dashboard. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.